This dance is called Gently Does It. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, absolute beginner level line dance. Starting on our right foot, we're going into a vine to the right. So you're going to step the right to the side, cross the left, behind the right, step the right to the side, and on this vine, we're going to touch the left beside the right. And with this touch step, there is no weight on that left, it is just literally resting there beside the right. So that is our vine to the right with a touch. We're going to add on a couple of side touches. So we step the left to the side because there's no weight on that left foot. The weight now goes on the left. We touch the right beside the left. No weight on that right foot means we can move off on that right. So we step the right back to the side and touch the left beside the right again. So 2 side touches. So that section once more then, vining to the right. Right foot leads. 7, 8. Side, behind, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Similar set of steps now, travelling to the left. We're going to add a little turn onto this vine. So we're going to do a vine to the left with a quarter turn on the end. So we're in that touch position, left touch beside the right, no weight on that left foot, so I can step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left. This is where the change happens, we're going to put a quarter turn on. So rather than just stepping the left to the side, you're actually going to turn yourself a quarter turn to the left as you step that left foot forward. When you do this turn, I don't just want a turn, but you're still facing the front. Your whole body needs to turn as well, even if it means that that back foot, in this case the right foot, the heel comes off the ground. Better to have turned your body than have a twist left in it. Then we're going to touch that right beside the left. So same as the previous touch steps, there is no weight on that right, it is just resting there. Add on a couple of side touches. So because there's no weight on the right, we move off on the right. So we step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right, no weight on the left, so we step the left to the side, touch that right beside the left. So that's our side touches at the end of that vine with that quarter turn. So that set of steps once more then, vining to the left, left foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Let's add that onto the top. Vining to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Side, behind, turn, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Then we're going to add on some Charleston steps. So you're going to step the right forward because there's no weight on that right. Kick the left forward. It's only a little kick. You're not actually lifting your foot up too high off the ground. So just a little kick forward. Bring the left back beside the right. Point the right back. That's your Charleston steps. And you're going to repeat that. So you're going to step forward on the right. So effectively when you do the step forward, because you're doing 2 Charleston steps together, the feet will effectively come together as well. It's okay for there to be a slight overlap on the feet, but the feet shouldn't be one in front of the other. So we step forward on that right, kick the left, step the left beside the right, point that right back. So again, when you're stepping back after that kick, there can be a slight overlap of the feet, but there should be some part of the feet that are together. So that's your 2 Charleston steps. Let's try that once more. Off on that right. 7, 8. Step, kick, close, point, step, kick, close, point. So obviously when we're pointing back, it's just resting there. It's just pointing in that direction, so we can quite easily move off on that foot. So let's add that to the top. Vining to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8. Side, behind, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Side, behind, turn, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Step, kick, close, point, step, kick, close, point. Nice easy set of steps then to end the dance. You're going to walk forward 3 steps. Again, because we're pointing back on that right at the end of that last section, no weight on the right, we're moving forward on that right. So we walk forward, right, left, right, kick that left forward, same as we were doing with the Charleston steps, so just that little kick forward. Then we're going to walk back 3 steps, starting with the left, walk back left, right, left, touch that right beside the left. That ends the dance, and you're ready to start it all over again. So that set of steps once more then. Walking forward, off on that right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. Let's add that to the rest. From the top, all the way through. Vining to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8. Side, behind, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Side, behind, turn, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Step, kick, close, point, step, kick, close, point. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. So that is your dance. Now the music is just a little bit faster than we've just walked that through. So what we're going to do is we're going to redo that first wall, speeding it up just a little bit, and then we'll carry on and we'll go around the remaining 3 walls. Vining to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8. Side, behind, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Side, behind, turn, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Step, kick, close, point, step, kick, close, point. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. Side, behind, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Side, behind, turn, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Step, kick, close, point, step, kick, close, point. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. Side, behind, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Side, behind, turn, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Step, kick, close, point, step, kick, close, point. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. Side, behind, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Side, behind, turn, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Step, kick, close, point, step, kick, close, point. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 is your dance, all four walls of it. All that's left is to give it a go to their music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Side behind, side touch, side touch, side touch. Side behind, turn, touch, side touch, side touch. Step, kick, close, point, step, kick, close, point.
Except for one or two.
Walk, kick, back, 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 touch. Side behind, side touch, side touch, side behind, turn, touch, side touch, side touch. Step, kick, close, point, step, kick, close, point. Walk, kick, back, 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 touch. Side behind, side touch, side touch, side touch. Side behind, turn, touch, side touch, side touch. Step, kick, close, point, step, kick, close, point. Walk, kick, back, 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 touch. Side behind, side touch, side touch, side touch. Side behind, turn, touch, side touch, side touch. Step, kick, close, point, step, kick, close, point. Walk, kick, back, 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 touch.
Baby, be a giant. Let the world be small. Some of them are deadly. Some don't let it show. If they try and hurt you, just let your daddy know. When you go giving your heart, make sure they deserve it. They haven't earned it. Keep searching, it's worth it. For all your days and nights, I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be there. Yes, I will. Go gentle through your life. If you want me, I'll be there. When you need me, I'll be there for you.
Hope you managed that one.